Lily's new friend. On Monday, a new student came to school. Her name was Lily. She went to her classroom. "Hello," said the teacher. Lily looked at the other students. A girl sitting at a desk gave her a friendly smile. Later, in the lunch hall, Lily sat at a table by herself. The girl from the classroom came over. "Hi, my name is Daisy." "What's your name?" she asked. "My name is Lily," she said, smiling back. "Nice to meet you, Daisy." "Nice to meet you too, Lily," said Daisy. After lunch, all the students went to the playground. "Wow, what a big playground," said Lily. "Yes, it is," said Daisy. "Let's play." They ran and laughed on the playground. On Tuesday, Lily and Daisy went to the library together. They looked at a big book with colorful pictures. On Wednesday, they were in the school garden. They saw the headmistress watering the flowers. "Hello," she said with a kind smile. On Thursday, it was game time in the sports hall. Lily and Daisy were on the same team. They gave each other a high five. On Friday, Daisy said to her teacher, "This is my friend, Lily." Lily felt so happy. School was so much fun with a friend.